How to make no one can reply on your story on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can reply on your story on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and here you will find your profile. Click on it and then click these three lines in top corner, and now click settings and here you will see privacy. Click on it and then just click story, and as you see here you will find it. Here you will find off. Now just select off, and as you see now no one can reply on your story. Then just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to make it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.